Hello, my dear Elizas. Welcome to Eliza Beauty. This is your favorite makeup artist, Ranjana Bhatia. Guys, today's tutorial is very important for branding of a new business or a startup. That is the logo. Sometimes we don't know how to choose or create a logo, or which symbol or word should we use as a logo. So in today's video I'm going to tell you few sites in which we can create or you can choose your logo and they will help it with AI. So let's start. We will write create logo AI. There are a lot of sites, as you can see there are a lot of sites like Luca is there, Logo AI is there, design.com, and these things. So we will go through some of these sites one by one and I will tell you how to choose a right logo for your business. Alright, so let's start with logoai.com. And start, write the name of your business. I'll be doing Elizen Beauty. Then slogan, that's optional. If you have it, write it down. If you don't, that's not necessary. Click on continue. Now choose your industry. Which industry is yours? Like I have the beauty one, and you can write your own, that is travel, fitness, retail, technology, events. Which industry do you belong to? Write it in the comment section. Which industry do you belong to? Now I'll choose others. No. I'll choose beauty spa. Yeah, that's more relevant. Now you can choose the color tone. You can choose all of them or you can choose any one of them. Gradient is there, contrast is there. You can choose all of them and you can choose few of them, that's your choice. Click on continue and then the font style that you would like for your logo. Modern, elegant, slab, handwritten, playful, futuristic. They have given the samples of it as well, and you can choose all of them just to see the options. All right, so generate. So these are the options. You can choose any of them or edit them, and then if you want you can buy them or you can use them as a reference. All right guys, so let's go to luca.com. Write your company's name, generate AI logos for free. Now pick your industry. Which industry do you belong to? Please write on the in the comment section. The like, I'm from beauty industry. Are you from fitness or events or movie? Now write down your and click on that. Now you can choose some references like what kind of logos are you looking for, only words, symbols, or with words and symbols, so you can choose that. All right, so Click on continue. Now you can choose the color palette, like what kind of colors do you want in your logo. Like purple depicts royalty, pink innocence, sensitivity, playfulness, yellow joy, happiness, intellect. Let's choose red, power, energy, passion, desire, speed, strength. Green, nature, growth, harmony. Now write down your company's name and slogan. Embrace your shine, design your style. Okay, click on continue. Now symbol types, like you want cosmetics, beauty, makeup, lipstick. Okay, so that's it. Click on continue. Now they have generated some of the references or options for us. We can choose any of the option that we want, and of course we can customize it. So as you can see, there are a lot of symbols. They are very beautiful and amazing, and that's according to our preferences. You can sign up if you want, and I'll continue as a guest, and you can load as much as logos as you want. Different symbols of beauty industry, makeup, cosmetics are there, and board symbols are also there, and you can choose any of them that you feel like. So you can customize any of it. You can choose the symbol, like by clicking on symbol you can change the symbol. There are a lot of options. You can change symbols, and then you can, if you want any letter symbol, you can do that. There are a lot of options is there, different kinds of fonts are there, so you can choose any one of them. All right. You can change the font type of your letters or words, and also you can change the colors. So guys, this is the part 1. I'll be back for part 2 with different websites, so you can choose your own, or at least you can have the idea of what kind of emblem you can go for your new startups, or if you want to change your already established business, you can do that. So guys, till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you. So guys, write down in the comment section what kind of logo do you prefer, minimalistic, playful, and these things. So till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you.